In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subreddit banner. If you've just made a new subreddit, or you're refreshing an old one, a custom banner is one of the quickest ways to make your community look polished and unique. A good banner helps visitors instantly understand your theme, your style, and what your community is all about. First, you need a subreddit to work with. On Reddit's homepage, look to the left side of the screen and click on Start Community. This is the button that begins the process of creating a brand new subreddit. Once you click it, Reddit will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts will ask you to choose a name for your community, select the type of community you want, and set some basic options, like whether it's public or private. Take a moment to think about your subreddit's purpose, because your banner design will ideally match this identity. For example, a gaming community might use bold colors and game art, while a study group might prefer something calmer and minimal. As you follow the on-screen prompts, complete each required field carefully. Reddit may suggest similar names or warn you if a name is already taken. Continue through the steps until your community is successfully created. Once it's done, you'll be taken to the main page of your new subreddit. Now that your community exists, you can add a banner. Reddit's interface may update over time, but you'll typically find the customization options near the top of your subreddit page, often in a Customize or Mod Tools area. From there, look for the section related to appearance or style, where you can upload images including your banner. Before uploading, prepare an image file for your banner. Aim for a wide horizontal image with a clear focal point in the center, since edges can sometimes be cropped depending on the device. Use simple, readable designs and avoid too much text because small screens can make tiny details hard to see. Once your banner is uploaded, preview it on both desktop and mobile if possible. Make small adjustments as needed, then save your changes. Your subreddit now has a custom banner that helps define your community's look and feel, all starting from that simple Start Community button and following the on-screen prompts.